I want to ask the Commissioner General that as we continue the transformation program in our meetings, in our discussions with our officers, we have to entrench the multi-agency approach to ensure that we are one. Protecting turf and always insisting on turf does not help us. I say all these good things, well aware that we have a lot to do and there's more that we need to invest in. Going into the future, we are looking at how we can decongest our prisons. We have numbers that are slightly higher than the capacities we have. That is why recently we are working together with the Ministry of Transport, the National Transport and Safety Authority, jointly with our colleagues in the Office of the Attorney General, to ensure that we support the Inspector General of Police in effecting the on-spot fines so that we don't have to have queues outside magistrates' courts, so that we don't have to feed 6,000 or so people on traffic offenses. Because as I've often pointed out, we will keep them in our remand custody. We will spend 10,000 shillings on them when the fine they're actually going to pay is about 1,000 shillings. It just simply doesn't make economic sense. We have to think differently.